At the forefront of innovation in dentistry, Shenzhen RayForm Technology Co. Limited has developed kinds of 3D printing resin material which is injecting new vitality into precision medicine with the excellent performance. Starting from the detailed analysis of actual demands from customers, RayForm deeply understand the unique requirement of each dental application. It is the solid foundation for the research and development of dental printing materials formulation. RayForm R&D team focus on the precise deployment of wavelength 385 nanometers per 405 nanometers formulation. We continuously optimize the material performance with professional technology and excellent industry experience. In order to ensure that every material meets the high standards of dental applications in all indicators, RayForm R&D team conduct comprehensive basic physical and biological tests on every formulation. Only such tests are all passed. We start printing the dental model with a professional dental light curing 3D printer, transform the design into a real model. Then the dental models need a series of strict tests. For example, the low shrinkage characteristic test should be passed. It ensures the stable precision of the model, maintains the accurate shape from printing to clinical application, reduces adjustment and rework. The fast building speed advantage improves the efficiency, shortens the production time, meets all the clinical needs of dentistry for timely treatment, save much time for patients. The diversity of colors ensures that the restorations can remain natural and beautiful even long time in the oral cavity. It is harmonized with the color of the patient's natural teeth, which makes the patients more confident. Corrosion resistance performance enables the material to resist the erosion of the complex chemical environment in the mouth, maintain its own stability, and ensure the long-term reliability of the restoration. In addition, RayForm's materials have a wide range of equipment compatibility, which can adapt it to the famous mainstream LCD and DLP printers in the world. It is more convenient for customers to select the 3D printing resin. RayForm Production Workshop carries our strength and reliable reputation. It is a solid guarantee for quality for mass production. On the modern production lines, RayForm controls each production process strictly and accurately to ensure the quality of each batch of finished product. RayForm robust supply chain system provides sufficient and high-quality raw material reserves for production, makes sure our lead time is much shorter than other competitors. RayForm adheres to quality first, zero tolerance of any defects, pursuing excellent products. We have gained very good reputation from customers all over the world. As an authoritative certification of enterprise manufacturer, RayForm insists in comprehensive testing for all finished products, which builds a solid line of defense for product quality, assures all of our clients to get the satisfied products. Whatever your business is, the production of dental science and technology laboratories or the clinical application of dental clinics, RayForm material is your first choice. RayForm 3D printing technology can support you in winning in your market.